This is our introduction of the cell membrane. It is also known as the plasma membrane. It controls nutrients that can go inside of the cell and outside of the cell, and it also controls what type of substances can be in the cell and the amount. It is composed of phospholipid bilayers. It has two fatty acids, which is nonpolar because it repels water, and it has one polar head, which is polar because it attracts water.
So I'm Rachel, and I'm going to talk about other parts of our cell membrane. So in the cell membrane, there's protein channels, and the protein channel allows different molecules, those that are bigger, larger molecules, for them to pass through the cell membrane easily. Like glucose. Glucose is a pretty big molecule, so it won't be able to diffuse through the cell membrane as easily. So the protein carrier allows them to go through easily without causing much disruption in the cell membrane. And then outside of the cell membrane, connected to the polar bodies, are the carbohydrates. And the carbohydrates are also attached to the proteins, and the carbohydrates act as antennas. They're also called carbohydrate trains, and they help the cell membrane navigate and recognize other cell membranes. Next, outside of the cell membrane, we have the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are attached to the glycoprotein, and the carbohydrate is also called the carbohydrate chain because it acts as an antenna, and it acts as navigation for the cell membrane, and it helps the cell membrane locate and recognize other cell membranes within the
We're going to talk about the cytoskeleton filament, which is down here, and it helps the cell maintain their shape, and it also helps the internal organization of the cell, and it provides mechanical support for the overall membrane. The glycolipid serves as markers for cellular recognition, and they also provide energy for the plasma. The integral protein, also known as the receptor protein, acts as a transport chain, and it also tells the cell to release hormones or open the other protein channels.
The cholesterol makes up nearly half the cell membrane, and it maintains the integrity of the cell membrane. It's an amphipathic molecule, which means that it contains a hydrophilic tendency to mix with and dissolve in water, and a hydrophobic, which tends to repel or fail to mix with water. The green glycoproteins have short carbohydrate chains covalently attached, which are exposed on the outer surface of the cell. It plays a crucial part in cell-to-cell recognition and have important roles in protection, reproduction, immune response, cell adhesion, and structural integrity.